Gold, burgundy, and black. A bold and classy combo. Are you ready to create this look? Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Fitted tablecloth and table sign holders. Black laser cut placemats and favor boxes. Burgundy napkins and runner. Gold ribbed cups and wine glasses. And also artificial flowers and candle holders. Start by laying the fitted tablecloth on the table. Next, assemble the favor boxes. They're super easy to put together. For the table sign holders, we're turning them into a DIY vase. Just grab some glue and stick the edges together. Add your desired cutouts and arrange the flowers inside. This will go right at the center of the table. Now, roll out the burgundy runner and set up the crystal candle holders. Each holder has 3 parts: the stem, the cylinder cover, and the lampshade top. Here's our centerpiece flower. Place it right in the middle. Lay out the laser-cut placemats evenly around the table. Once that's done, place the scalloped plates right on top of each one to complete the base of your table setting. Add the gold-ribbed cups and wine glasses. Space them out evenly for a balanced look. The burgundy napkins we have here will be placed neatly under each plate, adding a nice pop of color. After that, lay the cutlery right on top. Simple touch, but it really pulls the whole setup together. Oh, and don't forget to add the favor boxes we made earlier. Easy, right? Follow for more setup ideas. Thanks for watching.